for Kapatisi TV. Kwah University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domiciled students of the state of Meghalaya.
AICC Secretary in Charge ka Meghalaya, Matthew Anthony, ulong Bangladesh ki MLA ke National People's Party, ki Blawan Terwawan Pynïasoh no Shikaseng Congress, namar ka Jingbam Hun, yigirukam trekam hapwa ka party. Hagaji keren bikilar patai ku bor Anthony ulakan tatpan, banya thu ke kerteng jong ki MLA ke NPP, ki Blawan Pynïasoh Shika Congress. Uliat huru, Bangladesh gajinya keren hakabiya day ba gajing pinkre, yaki election jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous Council, ke Bansalong, but ban pinklan ru ikishnat trekam jong ka party, haki circle baki unit beper-per.
On our absence in the assembly and the KHADC election which we have spoken on, I will speak on the absence of the assembly. The 4 MLAs who have left us. Let's address the board at the hall. How were they elected? Were they elected as individuals or were they elected as under the symbol of hand? They were elected under the symbol of hand. So people trusted whom? People trusted the Congress party. Okay. So a few people ask me why I call them Judas. Because when you have the power of an MLA, it is a power given to you, entrusted by you, given by the party to fight for the party and become an MLA. The ruling party, because of their anti-incumbency, the chief minister finds himself in a very insecure post or position, wanted to balance his side by adding people from the other side. And unfortunately, we had people who sold out their souls. And what do we call them? Judas. We have no element of a second thought to call them out as Judas because they sold their souls for themselves, forgetting that they were chosen by the people for the Congress party. And the same people will choose the Congress party again. And that is the commitment which we have from the people. And Congress party is not new to this betrayals. We were in this country from 1800 onwards. We put this country together. We faced many challenges. We have seen the ups and downs, but we've delivered to the people at every point of time. And that is the confidence which is backing us. We have people with us, who are willing to join, including big names in the state, but we are not kind of, looking into them. We are looking into people who can stay committed to this party. We are looking into people who can build the commitment to the people of Meghalaya. Our only interest in building the party is for the people who stay committed to the people of Meghalaya and not for themselves who sell themselves. I don't have to tell you about anything. You are journalists. You can check the bank accounts of those people. In the KHADC election, we had Ronnie, who was completely supporting the NPP alliance, whereas, the PCC president and each one of us wanted that alliance to be called up. And we see that, there was an understanding between the NPP and Ronnie at that point of time. That's why he moved aside. So why should you blame a PCC president for that one?
Yeah.
We are all equally responsible.
We are all, see, on an election performance, let us say that, we wanted that alliance to be called off much earlier. But we had Ronnie, who was kind of a part of that one, saying that there were many schemes which he was planning to do, but we never knew that this was a scheme. We thought it was a scheme for the people, but it was his personal scheme which he was planning, which we don't know.
He was also MDC.
Yeah, that's what. So the scheme which he was planning to be delivered was this scheme. Whereas we thought, the scheme was, the scheme for the people of Meghalaya. Yeah, so that is what it is. So we collectively take the responsibility that we couldn't perform well in the KHADC. But we will never agree to your question and proposition that it is a PCC president's failure.
I abruptly deny actually regarding the blame, against our president when those kinds of what do you call it, the treacherous people are there inside who just came out you know, then whom do you think who should be blamed? Okay.
See, look at the democratic freedom which we had inside our party, where we trusted the MDC Ronnie when he said that no, the alliance has worked out good schemes for the people of Meghalaya, and so we should not call off the alliance because we will lose out the credit for that alliance. And yes, we lost out the scheme. That the scheme was with Ronnie and NPP, which he never disclosed to us.
He was a traitor from beginning itself. Okay, working from inside. So that's why I think we lost.
Yeah.
Maybe actually, nobody. We can neither deny nor accept, because till now he has not met any one of our members. Okay, maybe that might be assumption, presumption. We don't know. Maybe that's just blowing in the wind.
So my answer to that is, Mukul Sagma, whether he has come to us or not, as an AICC representative, I have not received any calls from him. And I have not received any message from any one of my seniors also about this. But at least it answers your question whether Congress is coming back. You know how Mukul Sangma is. If rumors are saying that he is planning to come back, it definitely shows that people of Meghalaya are thinking of Congress to come back. Else nobody will think of coming back to Congress. So that's a compliment for us, but we don't know anything officially about it. That's what it is like. Yeah. Let Madhubura speak.
You people are confusing us. Mukul Sharma himself, he has given statement that he will never come back to the Congress. Why you go and ask Dr. Mukul Sharma? Why you are asking? Because we have not said anything.
That's very true. He himself spoke.
There's a senior in charge called named Dr. H. Kumar, who's my boss, reporting boss. And if there is something like that, then the AICC senior leadership will discuss with him. And eventually we will have an internal discussion, for which I can say that nothing of that sort has happened till date. And as she rightly said, since it is concerning with Sri Mukul, a former CM, why don't you ask him here?
Better, no?
Yeah. The Congress party, the biggest advantage of the Congress party is we don't have a door. That's why people, you saw our MLAs, going out, no?
It's too totally open.
Yeah, we are an open party. We are a very democratic party. We listen to the schemes of the MDCs also, and we were subjected to schemes also. So that's fine.